In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code with an Express.js backend. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up your environment, create a backend project, and test the API functionality. Begin by verifying that you have the correct version of the Claude command line interface. Open your terminal or command prompt and input the command. If your CLI does not display a version that starts with 2026, your environment may be outdated before proceeding. Next, create a new backend project where in your terminal type memkdir express Claude to create a new directory named Express Claude. Then navigate into this directory by executing cd express Claude to initialize a new Node.js project. Run npm init-y. This command will generate a package.json file with default settings. Now, it is time to install the necessary dependencies for your project. Execute the command npm install express.node-fetch in your terminal. It is important to note that there is no unofficial Claude SDK available, so you will be interacting with the official REST endpoint directly. Proceed to set up your environment variables. Create a new file named .dev by typing 9dev in your terminal. Open this file in Notepad using the command notepad.fm. In the end file, add your API key and model information by including the following lines: clg underscore API underscore k =, your underscore real underscore model =, Claude -3.7 pro and port = 3000. Save the file after entering this information. Next, you will create the server file, type netserver.js in your terminal, and then open it in Notepad by executing notepad server.js. Paste the provided server code into the file. This code imports the necessary modules, sets up the Express application, and defines the endpoint for handling requests. After pasting the code, ensure you save the file. You must enable ES modules for your project to function correctly. Edit your package.json file by typing notepad package.json in your terminal. Add the line type module right under the version field. After making this change, save the file. Now you are ready to run your server. In your terminal, execute the command nodeserver.js. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the message server running on port 3000 inches displayed in the terminal. To test your API, open a new PowerShell window. Use the command invoke rest method -URA http:// localhost 3000 ask method post content type application /JSON body message. If the setup is working, you will receive a JSON reply from Claude with the generated response. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.